Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are always your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and a little feisty Freya. I think she wants to go down, Arne.
I think she wants to go down.
I think we should let her.
She's warm.
She's warm, poor thing.
Oh, yeah.
And we are back with another episode. Hopefully you're enjoying your summer. We certainly are. And while we are away on summer vacations, we thought we'd do some favorite episodes on reruns.
Yeah.
What do we have today?
We are gonna set the table for a summer lunch.
Oh,
or is it
lovely.
a dinner?
I don't remember. I mean, we'll see it in a minute whether it was a dinner or a lunch. I think actually it was a dinner. The problem in Norway is that in the summer it doesn't get dark, so it could have been a lunch
It
as
could
well.
be a lunch also.
Because it just doesn't get dark. So we've got the sun in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening.
But
Anyway,
you can do it like this for any meal.
yeah. But
even
what I
breakfast.
remember, what I do remember was it was a fantastic party. We had great food. We had great company. And we hope you'll enjoy this table setting, which is the way we do it. It's not the right or the wrong way. It's just a way of doing it. So enjoy.
Hi, we're Arne and Carlos, and thank you for choosing our YouTube channel.
And thank you so much for watching our videos as well. And if you like what you see here, we would love it if you would give us a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel. Also, lots of people are curious about our membership. So here's a little sneak peek of what you get as additional content if you do choose to become a member.
Hello, members of the YouTube channel.
I know you're waiting for me.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, but we've just had lunch and I have to clean my kitchen. I need to clean my counter.
Cool. I think Eric is
ready.
approaching. Yeah.
Take a close-up on Eric now.
Good morning and welcome to Ålesund.
Yes.
Welcome to our happy place here on YouTube.
Hello. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos. And Carlos, what are we doing today?
Well, we are going to have a dinner on this beautiful spring day. We are going to be enjoying the company of some friends.
Yes.
And we've decided that we're going to have dinner here because it's going to be a warm evening tonight. So we are going to set the table here. That's what we're going to do.
And we're gonna do it your way.
Well, I thought we'd do it my way, but I'll still give you choices,
Okay.
you know.
I get some choices.
Yeah.
Because I have no clue when it comes to these things, because I'm learning all the time.
Oh, come on.
I just learned that if you have that Royal Copenhagen pattern with the flower,
Yeah.
the stem has to point a certain way. That's
Wow.
something I learned.
Well, that's me being a Virgo,
Yeah.
I guess.
With this, I don't think there's any rules.
No rules at all with those. Anyway, we're looking forward to setting this table. We've got a lot of lovely things here. And I'm going to let you choose a few things.
First, we start with this.
We do, yeah.
We have to protect this beautiful
Yeah.
tablecloth.
But, Arne, we do like putting them the right way. And
Is there
Because-
like a wrong and a right way on this one?
yes,
I can't see the difference. How
And-
can you see that?
well.
Oh yeah, that's the
yes.
back side.
And also make sure that the placemat is kind of facing the edge of the table nicely, you know. Like that's pretty much like so.
You're so picky.
I know. Okay.
So, okay, the plates.
You never asked me what we're having for dinner.
No, what are we having? I think I know because I saw the boxes with knives here.
Yeah, so we're gonna have, for a starter, we're gonna have white asparagus with hollandaise sauce and some Parma ham. Then we're gonna do, because it's, you know, it's a dinner Alfresco, we're gonna have a barbecue and it's gonna be a mixed grill with all lovely things and grilled vegetables and boiled salty potatoes.
Yeah, so that would be this one.
Well, hang on.
The last
hang,
dish.
Hang on. And then what are we having for dessert? You made it. So.
Oh, tiramisu.
Tiramisu, yes. We're also going to be having a sparkling wine with the asparagus, and we're going to have some red wine with the barbecue.
Okay.
So I've brought out a few of our favorite plates right now. We're very much into green and pink right now. We love green and pink. So,
So I think this is for the barbecue.
well, yeah, but look, there's all these lovely plates here.
These are too small.
Yeah, so we've got these lovely speckled ones are from Umbria in Italy. We've got them in the larger green and the smaller pink. Then we have these plates from Bordalo Pinero, one of our favorite porcelain brands. and they're shaped like cabbage, so really nice.
I think these are too small for what you mentioned. The barbecue with all that stuff. I think.
Okay, hang on. And we've got
Look, sorry.
we've got these lovely cabbage plate. They're called radicchio. They're also Italian. They're from Les Ottomans, and they're really lovely. So Arne, I brought out all of these because it's a nice mix match.
And it's.
And what
nice
do you
food.
want to use?
I think this one
For the-
because there's so much food.
For
with
the
that
barbecue?
Barbecue.
Yeah, okay. So we'll do the speckle plates for
I
the
think
barbecue.
These are nice for that. And then this, if you put that's too big. That's boring. This is nice.
That's perfect. So yeah,
for
I
the
agree.
asparagus.
I agree. I totally agree.
Because this is too much green
Yeah.
and it's a bit big.
But you could have done, I mean, we could have done this with this, but actually I agree.
Yeah,
This
because
is much nicer.
there's so much food.
Yes, there is. So let's do that.
All that you mentioned.
Okay.
So we take this away.
We'll take those away, yeah. Just put them on the grass and we'll bring them
So,
in later. Okay.
That looks nice.
That looks very nice.
Okay.
Knives and forks.
Yeah, and we have some beautiful. We got this for Christmas gift.
Yeah.
As a Christmas gift. And you've been looking. You've been wishing for this for many years because your parents have them.
Yeah, they're really nice knives and forks with olive wood handles from La Guiole, a French brand. We really like these. And they're very perfect for outside dining, I think, and for a barbecue.
And they're nice with that little bee.
Yeah.
on
And
top.
P.S., they have to be washed by hand and be very careful with the knives.
The
right,
first
Arne?
time I washed this, I managed to, as you say,
Cut yourself.
cut myself because these are very sharp.
Yeah.
They're really good for meat. And I know, I normally I eat with this hand, so I would normally put it down like that, but that is wrong.
Yes.
So it should be on that side.
Yeah.
And then, but sometimes I like to do this also.
Yeah. But if we're going to do it, you know, the proper way when we have guests, what do we do?
So it should be on this side.
Yeah. Absolutely. And these are nice because they shape inwards, which is really nice.
Was it in the old days they put the forks this way?
Yeah, you know
Because
why?
people had these.
Yeah, people had these
things.
cuffs with lace, and you wouldn't want the fork to get stuck in your
But
lace
we
cuff.
do it that way.
Yeah, we do. Okay.
Okay. So. No. This
And
one.
I really like that they kind of point
And the blade has to point in.
inwards, always inwards, yes. Okay, and we're not gonna be, you know, over the top, so we're gonna have the same cutlery for the starter as we're gonna have for the main. Otherwise, you know, you'd have to line up more cutlery, and we don't want that, right?
No, we
No.
don't want that.
Okay, so glassware. We are having sparkling wine.
That's this one.
Yeah,
These are from your family.
Yeah,
This-
these are from my grandmother. My grandfather, or my dad, inherited them, and he has given
so we
them
just
to me.
put them out like
Yep. No.
on
That's
this side.
always. And we're gonna have wine
Yeah,
for the main. So let's see. I think this one goes in first.
No, but you drink this one first.
Yeah, but still.
Don't you have this one then?
No, hang on. Well, you could. You could. I guess that's.
Because you drink this first.
Yes.
And then that goes away. and
You
then-
are actually absolutely right,
See?
Arne. You see,
I know stuff.
you know stuff.
I've been in furnished homes.
Of course you have. Okay. So we do that. And then hang on.
this one.
Whoa. We have some more glassware.
More. We have water.
Because when we have wine and stuff, we do want to have water.
This is from the same series as this
Yeah,
one.
it is. And the glass, no. The water glass goes behind there.
Okay.
That's how I like to do it anyway. I mean, there's no right and wrong, but I like putting the kind of behind and a little bit.
That looks good.
Like that. Like that, yeah. Very, very nice. So we've got our glass on.
And then salt and pepper.
Hang on, we're having tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
So what do we need? Spoons.
Spoons.
And we gotta show our funny or funky little dessert plates that we're not gonna put on the table.
So we are doing. No, not this one for tiramisu.
No, that would be for ice cream, but you have to show them because they're so nice.
So we do the melon for the tiramisu.
The melon plates.
These are very cool.
Yeah. And look at the other side.
Yeah. And this is.
And if we're having
For
ice cream,
ice cream.
we would do those. Actually, we use these bowls a lot for breakfast. We have cereals and yogurts and things.
I use them for instant noodles.
For instant noodles, yeah.
That's breakfast sometimes.
Okay.
These are cool.
So,
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper, yes. And I discovered that the spoons for the salt and pepper, we have to,
Polish them.
yeah, you have to polish them. So we'll do one here.
Actually,
one
I
there.
polished one of them, and this is not polished.
Yeah, we'll have to have them polished. But anyway, just put them down in front.
Like
There
that.
we go. Yeah, but we're gonna have a little centerpiece as well.
Okay.
Napkins, Arne. I'm gonna let you do something creative and
No, but I
artistic.
can't. I couldn't find my book with creative.
Well, do
napkins.
something.
We can roll them.
Do something.
Don't we just have like?
Oh, I have an idea. Okay, no. I have an idea. Why don't you fold them and make a triangle or something?
I don't think you can do a lot of fancy stuff with this, can you?
For example, you could do. No.
No, that doesn't work.
Anyway, we're not matchy-matchy, but we're matching the napkins to the tablecloth.
But we have those
Look, why not-
rings. We can
look.
put the service.
Yeah, you can, or you could do like a triangle, and then you can fold it and create a little.
We find the rings.
Yeah, but look at this.
Yeah, that looks good. How do you do that? You do it.
No, let me show you. Okay, so you make a square first, then you make a triangle, and then you fold it in like this. And you just put it. No, it has to be the other way around.
Like this.
Oh, how did I get it so
Oh,
perfect?
yeah, and you fold it in like that.
Hang on.
I've done this with paper before. Paper napkins. Look at this one. This is perfect.
Yeah.
And they're all coming out different because
Yeah.
of the motifs.
That's very
So
nice,
that's
isn't
very
it?
Nice.
So yeah, love these linen napkins and this tablecloth printed. Very nice. Okay.
Okay.
And then we've got you went out into the garden and you picked. It's spring here and there's not much yet, but we do have some small flowers. And I saw that you went out and picked a couple of extra.
I think we have to work more on this. There.
Yeah, but it's nice to add a few little flowers. We could do one here, right? And then we could do one on the other side. I don't know, something.
I have to work more on this.
Yeah.
That one is nicer. This is not nice. We're gonna make a new one later.
No. But put it there in the meantime so we can see.
I'm picky.
I know. So am I.
I think that one is still
Yeah.
looking good.
You do.
Oh, you need to.
Yeah.
Put them up.
Very nice.
Okay.
So here we
So
have.
then we're ready.
Here we have a table that is set the Arne and Carlos way for 3 courses. And I'm getting hungry just thinking about all the food we're going to eat with our friends. We're going to have a lovely evening, I hope.
Yeah. If the rain doesn't come.
If the rain doesn't come, yeah.
But it doesn't look like rain today. So, okay, finished.
I think we're finished.
Yeah, there's nothing more we can do.
There's nothing more we can do.
Just-
Yes, there is. Polish the spoons.
Polish the spoon.
You want to
fire,
redo.
put
You
up
want
the fire. in
You
the-
want to, yeah, and then you want to redo that.
Yeah.
Which I think is okay anyway. And then just wait for our guests to arrive, fire up the barbecue,
Yeah.
and do all the grilling,
And off we go.
and off we go. Yeah.
So.
Oh, and Freya
Uh-oh.
is under the table. She
She's
is ready to
angry.
eat all the leftovers that happen to fall down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's it for this time.
It is.
And remember now, you can also be a member of the YouTube channel.
Of the Arne and Carlos YouTube channel, yes.
So you can join that, and then you get all the emojis, and there will be more stuff coming later.
It's a small financial contribution that goes towards the channel, and for that little $5 a month or whatever it is that we're doing, you get to use emojis and on the comments below, and also when we do live streams. And we will be doing behind the scenes, Q&As, and a lot of stuff for our members only.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for the support.
So-
Also, in case, because we do get a lot of comments, oh, where did you get that? Where did you get that? We're gonna link to some of the favorite things on the table for you to see and get more information on. So yeah.
Yeah. And these are thrift shop.
Yeah, those are thrift shop finds, yes.
Thrift shop fine.
As are the salt and pepper holders.
The rest is from family.
Yeah,
And
and some things we bought, like the plates.
the
we bought
plates
them.
are new.
So we hope you have enjoyed this episode, and if you have, please give it a big thumbs up.
And see you-
Subscribe to our channel, and if you do, turn on the notifications so that you never miss an episode. Memberships we've talked about already,
Yes.
and we've got the mailing list for those who want to be up to date on all that we do. So,
See
is
you
this
next
it?
time.
See you next
Yeah.
time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
I am gonna go wash the vegetables now.
Yeah, I'm
Bye.
gonna polish the silver.
Yes.
Okay. Bye. So we hope you get inspired of your fabulous
Table setting.
table setting.
And that's how we'll be cooking all our meals this summer, or not cooking.
That's
it.
what you do for every dinner or lunch.
Yeah,
and-
I meant that's how we're going to be eating all our meals this summer. We'll be sitting in a gorgeous landscape with the beautiful tablecloths and glass and porcelain. So yeah,
Life is hard.
life is hard.
Yeah.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Like and subscribe and engage. And you can join the Arne and Carlos family as well and become a member.
Yeah, then you get emojis, you get weekly updates, you get shenanigans, and we have a live stream also. And
Yeah.
what more do we have? And you will be the first one to know when there are new trips coming.
And you'll be able to pre-register as well. And we
Yes.
have a moose.
Moose
Moose
moose.
Moose. Freya is here and she's telling us that there's a moose here. So we better go in before the moose comes and eats us all.
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And we know
Bye.
that moose are vegetarian.
Yeah.
Bye.
What? Moose are vegetarian?
Are they not vegetarian?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I meant in case, because I said that the moose was coming to eat us. Obviously, somebody's going to comment that moose are vegetarian, so I thought I'd beat them to that. Bye.
Oh, yeah. Oh, a wolf.
Skjønte du ikke?
Nei, jeg skjønner.